Hello guys, welcome to Windows Server 2019 series tutorial. So in this tutorial I will show you how to install IPAM in Windows Server 2019. So what is IPAM? IPAM is IP address management, is a feature designed to help administrators manage and monitor IP addresses infrastructure within a network. IPAM provides centralized control and visibility over IP address space, include management of DHCP and DNS. And also IPAM allows you to manage and monitor IP addresses, DHCP servers, and DNS across multiple domains and forests from a single interface. So yeah, and how to install that? It's very easy. Go to manage and click add rows and features. So next, click next. Here you have to select your server. So in this server rules, it is not a rules, it's a feature. Click next, and from a feature you have to select IPAM, which is this one, IP address management server. Okay, click on that and click add features and next and install. It's installing on Windows Server 2019. Yes. And IPAM is great features in Windows Server. With IPAM, you can also um, manage and configure setting for Microsoft DHCP and DNS server, as well as monitor their health and performance. It supports auditing of IP address usage, including changing to DHCP lease and DNS resource record, which is useful for security and compliance purpose. These tools are especially useful for large organizations with complex network infrastructure where manually managing IP address and related services can be cumbersome. Yeah, that's it. It takes some times about 2 or 3 minutes. We have to wait. View installation progress, as you can see. As you can see, the installation has been successfully completed. That's it. That's how you can install IPAM feature in Windows Server 2019. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you with that. See you in the next video.